stop wearing what everyone is wearing. આ festive season કંઈક અલગ દેખાવ છે. So visit these beautiful ladies at Festive Flair by Purple Events. So this is happening at the Bohemian Gallery, and as you can see કે festive wear છે, innovation type છે. We have smart western wear bhi કહી શકાય, થોડું designer wear કહી શકાય. We have beautiful jewelry, we have footwear, we have clutches and so much more. So Rakhi's ની સાથે પણ તમે શોપિંગ કરી શકો. So we are at Bohemian Gallery as I mentioned. આજે અને કાલે 2 દિવસ માટે you can visit. Valet parking is available. So કોઈ ટેન્શન નહીં, ખાલી એક જ ટેન્શન છે કે તમે બેગ્સ વધારે લઈને જશો કઈ રીતે. So બાકી ડિટેલ્સ માટે ચેક કેપ્શન now swipe left.
So next we have brand Sherry Dhaga, and their collection, as you can see, is semi-festive. They have some discount offers as well, up to 40% on some of their items. And as you can see that उनका जो color palette है वो काफ़ी अलग है, थोड़ा सा different. You won't find these colors everywhere. They have unique pieces as well. So
we can customize as well.
Yes,
different colors and sizes can be possible.
Okay, fine.
We have casual dresses as well.
All right. So for more collection, explore Sherry Dhaga. And next we have brand Shobha Jewels. So they have a lovely collection of replicas of the exact original pieces. As you can see, lovely earrings. And these are on sale. These neck pieces and the tray.
You can pick any at 1,000 and 1,200.
1200. Next we have brand Anagi Jewels. They specialize in pure silver, and as you can see उनके पास बहुत सुंदर सा राखी collection है. See, they have very unique collection of Rakhis. Next we move on to some bracelets, some charms, some bracelet charms as well for babies, rings, and also the collection starts from 950, so it's a great gifting option as well. As you can see,
We got flat 20% off on selected collection. So from wedding to party to gifting to something for your casual look, office look, they've got everything covered in pure silver. And the brand that you know is Anagi Jewels.
flat 25% on selected pieces. This is brand Verve for you. So yes, please tell us more about the brand.
We have a collection of festive wear, semi-festive wear and casual wear. So these are some vintage pieces which are basically made from vintage fabric. This is the Anarkali. Then we have kaftan sets.
Okay.
We have kurti sets.
Okay.
Dresses.
Summer dresses as
Yeah.
well. As you can see, they have a very unique collection.
Also we have shorts and tops. These are more shorts.
All right. So for more, please visit Verve at Bohemian. So if you're looking for something, designer wear, beautiful, unique pieces, and that also all under 10K, please visit Label Shania Bajaj. And yes, ma'am, please tell us and show us more about your collection.
Hi, so I've got multiple designs. So this is a nice shimmer drape. Absolutely perfect for your brunches.
Alright.
This is a very smart quad set. It has a nice detailing of lace on the pants and a nice collared printed top to go along with. And then I've got these drapes. It's a nice yellow ruched drape, and this is a very smart green quad set along with a nice
Everything under
quad.
10K. Now we have Label Kusha.
Hi. So we have festive collection.
Okay, lovely.
થોડું મિનિમલ આપણને ગમતું હોય. So they got options in that too. And casual dresses.
Casual collection, and we have 10% off on summer collection.
Next up, we have brand Sitara. They have lovely boho and fusion collection. So, ma'am, please tell us more about the brand.
So we have this something like this, more shirts,
Okay.
belted shirts. And you cannot miss what I'm wearing right now. You can see the mermaid skirt, which is so much in trend.
Yes.
We have pleated skirts and corset tops.
All right.
If you want some Bristol theme, and then we have crop top with
strappy and this crochet details, something like that. The skirt, tassel skirt. So we have shirts, this kind of shirts, and which is paired with skirts.
Okay, lovely.
So we have this kind of skirts as well. Just love it.
All right, so if you want to, explore the collection, please visit them soon. Next up, we have brand World of Tanir. So, ma'am, what is the collection?
So we have this kurta and pant set, which is the kurta is in raw silk with marori handwork and rankat pants, and we have the gown, rankat gown.
All right.
We have unstitched materials also. So we have mal chanderi suits with handwork with bandi dupattas. We have marori suits.
All perfect for gifting.
Wearing yourself. We have saris for gifting. They are on off.
Okay.
So that is World of Tanir.
Right. And next up we move to, as you all know, कि जल्दी से नवरात्रि आने वाली है. So yes, we have some lovely pieces as well.
Shivori chaniya choli.
Shivori, okay.
We have banted chaniya choli.
All right.
8,500.
Okay.
It starts from 6,000.
Starts from
6,000 starting.
Flat 50% on some of their pieces. This is brand Beyond Basic, and if you can see how beautiful the collection is. And yes, ma'am, please tell us more about the collection.
So this is my festive collection.
All right,
and
okay.
It is on 100% Chanderi silk.
100% Chanderi silk.
So I'll show you some of the chaniya choli pieces.
Okay.
What about flat 50?
Okay, and could you show us about the flat 50 collection?
Yeah. So here are some of the options I have.
Okay, they have quad sets, shirts, something in.
Just
Okay, all right, dresses as well. Thank you so much, ma'am. And next we have a brand that has come up with beautiful saris and also blouses. So yes, please tell us, ma'am. Okay. We have blouses, options.
There were beautiful saris in ajrak, in jamdani, in linen, tissue, and so much more. Saris na fan cho to do visit Shivi Couture.
So this is brand Table Toes, and as you can see, they have a lovely collection of jutis, loafers, potli bags that can be customized in any color that you want. They have some brand new collection. They also have tableware, and the speciality about this brand is that they don't give shoe bites, and their soles are extra soft so that they take care of your back. Next we move on to brand Angarkha Queen.
So they have everything under 4,000. So let's start with their hot sellers. So any under they've got pink one. Let me know कि कहीं उधर सरस है. Also they've got cord sets too. Everything is in pure cotton, Jaipuri cotton, and under 4,000 of course. So they've got huge varieties. They've got dresses, they've got kurta set, they've got dupatta set in different colors and palettes. But now you need to visit them personally.
Flat 50 on Kundan Jewelry, but before that, this is brand Tressa, and just look at the collection. This is all bridal, so for all the brides out there, the one that she's wearing. We also have a lovely peacock, and then we have some minimal jewelry that you can pair for your birthdays, for small meals, for parties. Have a lovely collection of rings as well. Something like that. Chokers, they have a lot of options.
Monzonite ઉપર છે થોડી ડિફરન્ટ ડિઝાઇન્સ પર તમે જોઈતી હોય રાઈટ અને આ જે these all are Kundan pieces are on flat 50% off.